Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei Watch D2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the display and brightness. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have two options, brightness and automatic under this. If you want to adjust the brightness to your liking, you will need to disable the automatic brightness, because if it's enabled, the brightness will change automatically. So if you want the brightness to stay on the level you set it to, you need to disable the automatic brightness first. Then you can tap on brightness, and now you can adjust the screen brightness by using the crown or by swiping on the slider. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, of course, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.